Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can create a quotation website on WordPress. So let's get right into it. Now, as you can see, currently I'm in my pages menu and I'm going to be creating a page from here. But first, I'm going to go over into plugins to show you guys a plugin which you should use. So for example, if we go over and search for create a quote, you'll be able to download one of these plugins which will help you with this. Now you do have certain forms which you can use. I'm not sure why it's currently not finding the one that I am searching for. So quote, you could use any one of these pretty much. There we go. Request a quote is here. So that's the one that I was looking for. You do need a WordPress business plan to use it. However, you can freely use it if you do have one, and it does have certain things that you can use and certain differences from other apps, which I can't really show you because I don't have the subscription. But that is pretty much it. Now, other than that, we're going to go ahead and we're going to make a page for quotes. As you can see, I already have one. So I'm just going to go ahead and trash it. And I'm going to go ahead and add a new page. This page is what we're going to be creating our quote creation form in. I'm just going to add a blank page, add create a quote, and I'm just going to add a form block over here. So if we go to form, you can add a form block just like that. And you can easily just select whichever one of these you like best. However, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the AI to create a quote, and then click generate, and that's going to generate a form. I'm not sure why this is unclear. So let's say request a quote. I'm just going to rename this in the meantime. As you can see, it is generating our fields. And there we go. Now we have sort of a rudimentary form for requesting quotes. Now, what else you can do for quote creation sites, I'm not very sure, since I'm not very sure what quotes are and what their use is, but you can just pretty much use this to request a quote through a form, and you can create the site to automate some certain processes if you want. And that is basically it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.